Traders, it's Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is show you how you can grow your Forex account. We'll start off with a quick look at this. These are 6 trade signals that I sent to my VIP group yesterday, and they're all running in profit at the moment. And what I want to do with the video is take you back to how I came across these trade opportunities, and it'll be a full tutorial on how to recognize the opportunity, the strategy, and the bottom line, how to grow a Forex account. Okay, this is a live account, as you can see. These 6 trades here, I sent these into my VIP group yesterday. So just after I entered these trades, and it gave my my Telegram group members an opportunity to enter these trades. You've got my entry point, stop loss level, TP level. Through the video, I'm going to show you how I took these trades, how I'm managing the risk, and yeah, I mean, you can see that it's a fairly positive outcome. So what we'll do is we'll go over to TradingView. We'll have a quick look here at the outcome. So you've got the option of closing these trades now and starting afresh, or you can simply pull your stop loss down to be slightly in the money and trail them. So you can see the results. Euro Swissy, Euro New Zealand. Quickly run through these just to see how they're stacking up. And then what we'll do is we're going to go back in time, and I'm going to show you, so you can pull your stop loss down now and start managing these trades. And we'll go back in time to where I started, and you can treat the rest of this video as a tutorial because I'm going to take you back to yesterday. All right, so we'll let this fade out and fade back in, and we'll start from the beginning. Traders, what I want to do with this video is show you how we can trade the London Open, Euro Swissy here. See, we've got the red dot, it's breaking above. I am going to sell this, and I'll show you how I'm trading this on a live account. All right, now stop loss is going to go above this yellow line, that's a daily. So I'm going to go in with a market. Actually, I might even spread it out a little bit wider and go above. This is a weekly. So we'll just head above here. So we've got the majority red. This is a bearish trend. We can see the pullback into the mean on the 4 hour in the middle down here. I'm going to go in with a market sell. My stop loss is going to be 96.037. So we head over to one of my live accounts. Got one trade running here. And we'll, what is it? Euro Swiss, 96.037. Euro Swiss sell. I'll just throw it in there. So 5-minute chart, make it a 15. I'm going to go in at 0.1% risk. It's going to be a market sell. Okay, I love this tool. Take it out to a 30-minute. I'm good with that. So I'm going to go in with a market sell here. Here it is. Euro Swissy up the top. And I'll show you how you can grow an account. So I'll just come back and double check the stop loss. So 96037. 96037. There's my stop. What I actually wouldn't mind doing with this is if we get a bit of a run with it, I'm going to put my stop loss down to be in the money and just let it go and see how we go. So let's just do that for now. Let's take that out a little bit higher. See this previous high here? Let's just clear that. Give it a bit of room to breathe. And then we come back in here and we just click on these alerts. Before I do, Euro Swiss, I'm just going to mark it up. Okay, we're taking that trade. Back to the alerts. What have we got? Let's have a look and see what opportunities have come in. Aussie CAD. What does that look like? I like what I'm seeing here. See how it's pushing up into this daily and weekly. See the orange line? So we got a daily and weekly combo here. I like this short. See on the 4 hour, it's trading back into the mean. Now we got the alert on the 3-minute, but it's a repainting indicator. And it's set up deliberately to do that. This is the non-repainting aspect of it right here. I want to see if it sticks. And what will happen is, we can wait for the next candle if a dot forms, and that will confirm. But I don't really need that dot to be here, guys. I really like this setup, so I'm going to take it. Aussie CAD short. Look at the pullback here on down here bottom left on the 1 hour chart. See that? This is a good setup. I mean, yeah, it can trade through. It has done here, but we're looking for like the pullback in here. See the yellow line up here? There? All right, so my setup is going to be a short position market, but I want to go in above this yellow line. I might even go in above these red dots. So my stop loss is 87.331. So back over to our live account here. I'm going to sell market. See, my risk is 0.1%. All right, so we'll sell market. I think I've gone in twice with this. Okay, Aussie CAD. So we'll go over to MT4. We'll grab the Aussie CAD. We're going to sell at market, 0.1% risk. I'll do something like that. So with all of these trades, I'm going at 0.1%. And I want to show you something. This is a handy tool to have here. This is called PZ Risk Management. It's a free tool. It doesn't read correctly on this chart for whatever reason. But it's going to give you the leverage you're using in the drawdown. And it'll show you what you got running. And it does display differently on different MT4 accounts. Okay, so we go back. We look for some more opportunities. Aussie CAD, I'll just mark that. So guys, treat this as a tutorial if you want to. This is how it's possible to grow an account. Euro Kiwi, this is a buy opportunity. Okay, we've got this green dot here. It's pushing down a little lower. Have a look at it on the 4H. You see the pullback into the mean on the 4H? This is the kind of opportunity I'm looking for. Rallies, retraces into the mean. There's your buy. Rallies, retraces into the mean. There's your buy. Retraces into the mean, retraces into the mean, retraces into the mean. But every now and again, okay, you can do that. So be careful. I'll take this and I'll set up my stop loss under here, I think, with this one. I'm happier to go in here off the 4-hour chart. So we just set that up. Long position, I'm going to go a buy. And I'm going to set up my stop loss down here. Okay, so what do we got? We got the Euro Kiwi, 81,635. Euro Kiwi, click that. Click this, 0.1% risk. Click on the chart, stop loss under. Tell you what I will be doing though. And I'm going to buy. Okay, so we're in. Give these a little bit of time. No, but I quite like these setups. Nice trend. Take your stop loss down a little bit. Risk is fairly consistent across the board. Give or take, $1 or $2 here and there. But, drawdown's running at 0.08. Keep an eye on that. Come back for another opportunity. Okay, Euro Kiwi, so I'll just mark that. Go back to the alerts. Okay, Euro Yen, what do we got? This is a bullish trend. We need a green dot. Okay, we've got this red dot, so I'll let that go. If it trades down in here and we get a green dot, I'm good. So that's Euro Yen. Euro Kiwi, we're done. Aussie dollar, what's that doing? Bearish trend. Look at this pullback. Look at that. Aussie dollar. Sell. All right, but there's room for this to move a little higher. See on the daily, you're going to be a little bit careful. This is similar to the Aussie, the Kiwi dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Sent that into VIP today. There's room for this to move all the way back up into here on this time frame. Have a look at it on the 4H. I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all, but I'll tell you what I'll be doing with this. My stop loss is going to go above this yellow line here, right? So, you could go in with a small position open here, market. You got support back in here, but then I might open another position up in here as well later on. But go in with the 0.1, and there's room to open more of these up in here. So I will go for a market sell at the moment, although I do, prefer, the pullback into the mean. That's really, right, that's really where I would like to get involved with this. Now, if you don't want to take that, you can set up a pending sell. So let's do that. Okay, easy to spot it. I'll just go Aussie dollar. Okay, 4-hour chart. I don't mind that actually. I'm going to go in with a small position, 0.1. Stop loss above here. Give it a bit of room to breathe. That could pull back. Sell. Keep a tab on your open positions. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at 0.1. Okay, so that's nearly 1% risk. I'm willing to risk 2.5, 2.5%. So that's 9 trades. So we just go back and continue the process, because I think, with an 80% win rate, it's going to be quite a nice little outcome here. And I get excited when we see these trading in our favor and we get a bit of distance with it. We can pull our stop loss down and trail, set up the stop loss in the money and trail it. Anyway, we'll go back and find another opportunity. So, guys, that's trading a MT4, going off the signals that we're getting here. Aussie dollar, okay, we're in that one, so we just mark that up. What's the next one? New Zealand CAD, are we in that? I think I did something like that. Maybe that's what it was. Aussie Swiss. Okay, let's have a look at the Aussie Swiss. Oh gosh, look at this. They're coming in thick and fast. Hang on. So this is the London session. Look at this one. Aussie CAD, look at our dot. It's traded above this yellow line here. That's an opportunity. Aussie CAD, have a look at it on the 4H. I think we're already in this one. Okay. Just check. Symbol. Aussie CAD, yeah, we're already in that one. Euro New Zealand, we're looking for a green dot. Oh yeah, I think we're already in this one. Okay, New Zealand CAD, it's bearish. See the bars down the bottom left here are bearish. Look at this. Okay, see how it's spiking through here, this 4-hour mean, the midline? So just be a little bit careful. Quite like what I'm seeing and what it's trading up into. This line here, we've got a weekly and a monthly. So you could go in with a small position here, go in with another small position up here, and set your stop loss above these levels here, something like that. So I'm going to go short, and my stop loss is going to go 81175. Okay, so what's this one? This is a Kiwi CAD. All right, Kiwi CAD, let's go. Same thing, 0.1% risk. Check the stop loss level again, 81175. Am I okay with that? Yeah, kind of want to spread it out a little bit. Let's go a bit wider. Go above this. You see, we've got this level here, right? And that's the pullback into the mean, but I'm just want to give it a little bit extra. It's the same dollar value at risk. Let's give it a bit of room to breathe, all right? So we're going to go in at 81296. That's a stop loss. All right, 81812, right? 296, 813, close enough. So dollar value risk is the same. I think with this, see how it's trading up? It wouldn't hurt to just give that a little bit more. Same amount of risk involved here. Just going to give it a bit more room to breathe. Let's have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, see, we've got this daily distribution level. All right, I might go a bit wider with that one. See how we go. And I mean, look, if it comes up into this level here and rolls over, and we start to see it trending in our favor, then we can trail it with our stop loss. So I'll sell that, and we're in. The Euro Swissy, I doubled up on that. I'm a little bit nervous about that, but look at this. So let's just have a look at the Euro Swissy. I don't want to overdo the risk. I quite like it. I like it. Have a look at it on the lower time frame. Yeah. I'm going to take one of these out, and I'll leave one in. Just don't want to double up on the position size. Keep it consistent. That's even, I mean, I've gone in a bit with a bigger. What happened with that? I'm going to take this out, guys. Anyway, so there's what? $15, but I'm going to go back in again, and I'm going to readjust my profit, my risk. So go back in again. I like it. Euro Swiss, and I'm going to go 4-hour chart. What does that look like? Yeah, and I'm going to go above this line here, level. Yeah, see, keeping the risk consistent. I'm happy with that. So let's sell now. So you get what I'm doing here. It's kind of fun, and I'll keep an eye on these. Once they run in profit, like if this heads a bit. For example, if this heads down into here, you could, depending on what you want to do, like make sure you have your strategy, your plan before you kick off. And your plan might be you're just going to close everything at 1-to-1, then do that, all right? But what I'm wanting to do with this is let it get a little bit of distance and then maybe pull the stop loss down so that it's in the money, and then let a couple of these go for it, all right? So we'll come back at the end of the video and we'll see how it shapes up. Let's look for some more opportunities, shall we? New Zealand CAD. Just want to set up a green line here. Just want to set up a marker. So we're Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, Euro Swiss. Keep a tab on everything. Aussie CAD, Aussie dollar, Euro Swiss. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar. I've got an EA running and it's trading these guys. So New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar. Okay, guys, I think you get the idea. Oh my God, look at all this, all these opportunities. So I'll wrap up the video, and if you go back to the beginning, you'll see where I ended up with these trades. Nice outcome. Here's an invite to join us on this journey. Shout me a hamburger once a month and gain full access. I'll let you do the math. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.